Okay, Assalamu alaikum. We're discussing how to remove a post. First of all, what is the type of the post that you have inside the tooth?
Fiber post.
Fiber post. What is the main indication for fiber post?
Retention for
Retention. But
for
also
material.
it also is aesthetic material,
Yes.
صح? So it's whitish. So with many times we choose it for the color. That problem of the color will also be a problem when we remove it, because we could not identify the post area from the adjacent sometimes. It's very difficult. So how am I going to remove a post that has fractured? Why are you going to remove it, by the way? For endodontic reasons or for fracture?
For two
What are the
reasons.
reasons? Yes.
أول شيء first of all إنه we have to do retreatment.
Retreatment for what?
Retreatment للإندو.
There is a deficient endo, or
Yes.
is it a lesion?
Deficient endo or lesion.
O lesion. Okay, so there is a re-endo in the case. Okay, do you have the suprastructure there? Do you have a crown over it?
Fractured. لا, no crown.
Fractured? Okay.
No crown ولا
Okay.
superstructure.
Because this differentiates between the methods of management. If I have a good crown, a good post, an excellent post, and I have a problem with the endo, I could come from another way and do apexification. I don't need to destroy all of this if it was good. I'm talking about another case. If this was good, the crown was good, the core was good, the post depth and width and everything is excellent. Why to ruin everything here? Simply we go by apexification and we refer it to the endodontic to do the apexification, and they create a new seal. They can, when they open it, they can excavate any granulation tissue. They could remove the tip and introduce a new seal from the apical. If this was all intact and excellent. But here you have the second case where this is already also broken. If this is also broken, you need to take it out coronally. The problem with doing that coronally is the color and the match. And another thing is the consistency of it. It's close to the dentine. So sometimes you will have a slippage of the instrument while you're going back and forth with instrument. You keep slipping to the dentine. You'll get ledges. Many times we'll get a lot of ledges and fractures. So if we're going to remove it coronally with a burr, you're going to use the burr under microscope. So if we don't have a microscope here in the prosthodontic department, they have one in the endodontic department. So you refer them to an endodontist, and the endodontist removes it under microscope supervision. He makes sure that, and they have minimal size instruments, they go into the post space and remove it gradually under microscope, ensuring that they're not going laterally here or here. And then they also do the endo. Okay, there is a second method where some of the post systems provide you with a post removing burr. This burr has a specific morphology where it has a safe end in the sides. It has safe sides and it works here. And the serrated surface or the rough surface is in the lower part, and it has some mechanism where it keeps this central in the root, so it doesn't go to the side here and side here. Okay, these are specific post removing burrs. They come specific to specific post systems. They come with the same system, because we know some of the post systems have metal inside. So it's every company observes if it has a metal core inside the post itself or it doesn't. Okay, and it manages to go in the root centrally without touching the side dentine here and the side dentine here. It has a safe side to it, so you use the specific removing burr specific to the case. But if you don't have that burr, you refer it to endo and you remove it using the microscope. Okay, thank you.